I think I found the first downside to AI that actually scares me. It's not your money, it's not your data, it's not your job. It's quieter than all of those. It's that you slowly stop knowing what you actually think. Let me explain, because this one crept up on me. AI's got an answer for everything. Ask it anything. Should I do this? Is this any good? What's the best way? And it comes back clean and confident in seconds. And the answer's usually decent. That's the trap. Because when it's decent, you skip the messy bit. The sitting with it, turning it over, working out where you actually stand. You just adopt the answer and move on. Do that once, no harm. Do it 50 times a week for a year. It's a bit like copying someone's homework every day. At first, you're just borrowing the answers. Then one day someone asks what you think, and you realize you haven't really practiced thinking it through yourself. Somewhere in there, your own point of view quietly starts disappearing. I caught myself doing it. I'd ask AI if a video idea was any good. It'd say yes. And I'd just run with it. I didn't stop and work out what I thought first, and that's dangerous. Because if I don't know what I think, how do I know whether it's actually helping me? Here's the other bit that worries me. These tools are designed to be helpful. There's research showing they often lean towards people-pleasing answers instead of pushing back. So if you're leaning on AI for everything, you're not always getting the best answer. Sometimes you're just getting the answer it's most likely you'll agree with. That's why I stopped expecting AI to hand me the finished answer. The way I use it now is completely different. I brain dump, throw the messy idea at it, see what comes back, push on it, challenge it, throw it back again. Sometimes I'll take the same idea to another AI and see where it disagrees. It's not give me the answer. It's more like thinking out loud with something that talks back. And the whole time, the one deciding what's actually worth keeping, what's rubbish, what's true, is me. That part has to stay yours, because AI can give you 1,000 possibilities. It still can't tell you which one's worth building. That's your job. We spend our whole lives trying to become someone worth listening to. Don't spend the next 10 years slowly giving that voice away. Use AI to challenge your thinking, not replace it. That's what I'm trying to work out here, how to use this stuff without handing over the parts of ourselves that actually matter. If that's the kind of conversation you're here for, stick around. I'm Ben from Just Ask. I'll see you in the next one.